Introduction to Field Events and Using a Measuring Tape with Coach Olivia.
Hey Camp, this is Coach Olivia, and I just wanted to explain the implements that you were given in your package. So, the first thing we have is the small red spherical ball. That is going to be our shot put. So in my videos, the first and the second video for the shot put introduction, I did explain a way to make a shot put at home if you had a sibling or a friend that wanted to do this along with you. I did kind of like a little tutorial on how to make one themselves. I also did that for the disc tutorial, okay? So if you wanted to make another discus or a shot put, if a friend wanted to join you or a sibling, like I said before, there are a couple different ways that you can do that. In your bag that you had received, there also is a small disc to represent the discus that you will be using for your implement, okay? So again, the shot put is the actual ball, and the discus is the flat disc type foam object that you will be using to complete those activities. Tutorial on how to use our measuring tape. So to begin, either side, it both has inches, and then on the smaller side with the smaller font, it does have centimeters. But for these activities, we're just going to be using inches. It's just a little bit easier to measure with. And on each side, there's a hole puncture. There's a bigger hole for each inch, and there's a smaller hole for each half inch, okay? Every foot on this measuring tape has a double piercing, okay? So we start at 1 and go to 12, because 12 inches is 1 foot. There's 2 holes on top of each other, okay? So that indicates 1 foot. Our next foot is at 24, because that's another 12 inches, and then we go to 36, and then we go to 48, and then we go to 60, okay? So each indication or each double piercing, double hole on top of each other is each foot, okay? So if you want to jump foot by foot, that might be easier than counting each specific number, or just from the start to finish. If it's maybe double this rope, we know that we can just count the amount of feet we have, and then just go by inch if it's that specific, if you'd like. And that is pretty much it for our measuring tape. One side is a little bit large print and the other side small. It doesn't matter either way. They both have the same indications in the hole punches.